वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलग्
ऋलक्
ओङ्
ॐ
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लङ्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
झभञ्
झभञ्
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
ऋचुयशानां तालु
यशानां तालो
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यमङ्गणानां नासिका च
ञमग्नानानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
हृदयितोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोः कण्ठोष्टम्
उदात्तोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
लकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते।
So let us continue this book. I sent you all the documents yesterday.
Yes.
Remember Sutra list, Sutra document, 5 new Sandhi rules, Savitri Bhasha Gogo, Vangspotayanasya, Indrecha, Ikaha Savarne, Shakalyasya Rasvascha, Mrityakaha. Right?
Yes.
These 5 sutras. Fine. Now, here, Anuswarasya hi Parasavarnaha, I think we have seen, right?
Yes.
I think this we have seen. Anuswara followed by. Then Tavarga followed by Lakara. Torli also we saw.
Yes.
Then Yamuttagama Sandhi. Yamuttagama Sandhi, Rasva, Swara Purvaka, Nantat, Nya Antat. Nakara is the Anta of which, and that is preceded by Rasva. Okay. So this Nakara. Nya Antat. Similarly, Rasva, Swara, short vowel. Purvaka means preceded by. Na Antat, Nakara Antat. Then Rasva, Swara, Purvaka, Dante Nakaranta, this Nakarant, right?
Mm.
You understand these words? Rasva
Yes.
Swara Purvaka Na Antat, Na plus Antat, Stavana Dirghasant,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
Similarly, Na plus Antat, Stavana Dirghasant. Cha, then Padat Sware Pare, when followed by a Swara. So all these are at the end of the Padat. Nakara, Na Antat, Padat. Uttarasya, Achipare, Sware Pare. Swarat Purvam, Kramat, Na Antat, Nakara, Nut Na Antat, Nut Agama. Dante Nakara, Na Antat, Padat, Nut Agamaha Bhavati. Iti ete Agamaha Bhavati. You can follow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Na Nakara iti etesham vi uchcharanam bhavati iti palittartha. 2 times it will come, the sandhi, you will see that, right? Eta pratying plus atma, what happens? Pratying atma. So the following word will get nakara. Therefore, 2 times you will see. Vi uchcharanam bhavati. That's why. Vi uchcharanam bhavati iti palittartha. That is the result. The resultant of ordaining Namuttagama is there would be Ucharan, twice pronunciation. Pronunciation will be twice. Sugun plus Ishaha, Atrapi, Namuttagama Sandhi, Ante Nyam Varnaha, Purvatu Rasvarkaraha, Rasvaswara Purvaka Na Antat Padat Uttarasya, Sware Pare, Pare Pare, Nut Agamaka Bhavati, Nuttaham Kutva, Dvi, Ucharanam Nakarasya, Bhavati, right?
Yes.
Soon, Nishaha, you can follow simple Sanskrit. So, Nyamaha, Rasvat, Achi, about Tityam. And another here important thing is Namaha is Panchami, Achi is Saptami. Therefore, Ubay Nidishte, Panchami Baliyan, we saw. 5 and 7 is a very 6. Agama to come. Therefore, 7 will be considered to be 6th, right?
Mm.
Shashtivat Bhavati, Saptami, Vivakti, Atra, Achi, Saptami Vat, Shashtivat, Shashtivat Bhavati, Stan, it is Stani. When Pachan plus Asti, Pachan Asti, Gachan plus Asti, Gachan Asti, Sarvasmin Api, Sarvasmin Api, Ting plus Atra, Ting Antra, Swasmin Eva, Tapasvin Nehi, Likhan Eva, Asan Natti, Asan plus Atti, Asan Natti, Sharvan Nadihi, Tasmin Niti Nidishte Purvase Tasmin, Udang plus Iha, Udang Iha, Tasmin Etasmin, Tasmin Etasmin, Purvasmin plus Ishvare, Purvasmin Ishvare, एकस्मिन् अम्बुजे एकस्मिन् अम्बुजे अपरस्मिन् औषधे अपरस्मिन् औषधे रुदन् आयातः रुदन् आयातः मले कस्मिन् इह. All those are example, and there are examples in the Gita also. We've seen already. Then Purva Savarna Sandhi. What is the sutra? Tell me. Purva Savarna Sandhi. What is the sutra? You can see, read, and then you can understand. Tell me what could be the sutra. You can read examples also. तत्तद्वर्गीय तृतीय व्यंजनात् यशः परस्य अकारस्य तत्तद्वर्गीय चतुर्थ व्यंजन विकल्पेन आदेशक भवति तर्हि सूत्रं किम्? What is the sutram? Purva Savarna Dirgha. Sorry, Purva Savarna Sandhi, not Dirgha. Purva Savarna Sandhi.
No, don't remember.
You can see the example. Vanig plus Asati.
This is
Akara replaced by Akara. Right?
Jashash Chaturdodaha.
No, sir. Where is Tator Dodaha?
Mm.
I'll give a clue. We find out from the sutra. Hakara is replaced by Gakara, which is the Purva Savarna.
Mm.
Then Hakara is Sthani. That is replaced by fourth letter of the class. Right?
Mm.
When it will happen. Simple. Jayoho Anyatarasyam. Come on, sir. Jayoho Jayaha Aha Anyatarasyam. He may ask why he has not given Jay. Yes, what is Jay letter? Jamai Gadadash, Jaba Gadadash, Kappa Chatata, Chatata, Kapai, right? First class, second, first set of all the class consonants, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, and fifth letter. That's okay. Even that he has not given, it's okay.
What's the number? What's the number of this sutra?
8462. See, Jayoho Anyatarasyam, Jayaha Parasya, Akarasya, Purvasavarnaha Syat.
I think.
Right?
Is it in our list?
Yes, sir. But please see, sir. There. Sit down on the list. Yes, very much. 122. 8462. With examples we have seen. Okay. J letter followed by Hakara. J letter Padanta J followed by Hakara. Hakara will be replaced by optionally by fourth letter of the preceding class, preceding the class of the fourth letter of the fourth letter of the class to which the preceding letter belongs to. So here Vanik plus Asati, Vanik Gakara belongs to Kavarga. So fourth letter of Kavarga is Gakara. So Purva, and this is Savarna for Hakara. Purva Savarna Adesha Bhavati. This is Vikalpa Anyatarasya. Therefore, Vanik Gasati or Vanik Hasati. Ajjalo, not Jalo. You must be remembering now. Not Jalo Sutra, we know. That we saw.
Yes.
That's the same thing. But you may ask here, why it is Tritiya Jash, he says. And the Sutra is Jai. That you may ask. It's a good question. Answer also, you know it, why it is. Why? Because Jai letter at the end of the Padam, what will happen? Jai letter at the end of, exactly. Jai letter at the end of the Padam, before coming to the Sutra, it would have become Jash letter. Therefore, Jai is not because Jash. Then why the Sutra Jai is there? That is there for the other Sutra, Gosa Sanuvritti. That is a Panini Maharshi has put Jai. Understand?
Yes.
Sutrapata, if you see, the word Jai goes as Anuvritti for the other Sutra. Next Sutra also Jai is required. That is why Alpakshartam is used Jai, not Jash. Otherwise, you have to use Jash one time and then Jai one time, right? Alpakshartam. Please check 8462. Then Shashchoti, for which the Sutra goes as Anuvritti. I mean, the Jai goes as Anuvritti. Here it is. So for all our practical purposes, we can take it as Jash letter, third letter of the class consonant. Okay. At the end of the Padam, followed by Hakara. Hakara will be replaced by Purva Savana Dirgha, fourth letter of the class. Understand?
Yes.
Not Jalo already we have seen, sir. So you must be remembering that. Not Jalo. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, Shad plus 8468, may remember, important. Shad plus Yaha. Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter of this class, Dakara. Why fourth letter also? That also we know. Why? Hakara is a sibilant, right? It's a what sibilant? It's a soft consonant, Mahaprana. So it must be what are the Mahaprana letter of the Tavarga? Tell me.
Da.
No. Tha and Da, two are there, right? Mahaprana.
Yes.
And Ha being a soft consonant, you cannot take tha. Second letter you cannot take because it is hard consonant. Therefore, you have to take the fourth letter only, logically, right?
Yes.
That's why you get Shadyaha. This is optional. Therefore, Shad Hayaha also. Tat plus itam, tadditam, tat plus itam. Ab plus harado, ab harado, fourth letter. Ab harado. All these are examples. Vag plus inaha, vaginaha. Shat plus harmyani, shadar, shadharmyani. Ab plus harasaha, bhrasaha. Prag plus asitva, pragasitva. Jagat plus ita, jagadita. Tat plus I, taddi. Even taddita, the word. Tat plus ita, taddita. Tadita pratyaya. Jayaho nitarasyam. Tat plus hetukam, tadhetukam. Gachadhunaha. Magadhasyam. Samradharidram. भवद्धितरक्षः सुहृद सुहृद्दुष्टः राजद्धिरण्यम राइट विड प्लस
Yes.
असति विड्ढसति पतत् प्लस इमं पतद्धिमं ओके रिमेंबर now sutra 8462
Yes. Because in the list that I wrote here, it was not there. I forgot to write.
yeah it is there in the notes also now next sutra you tell me purva savarna is takara where it is you see ut upasargat uttarasya aparasya स्थाधातोः स्तम् धातोश्च आदोषितस्य सकारस्य सकार आदेशः भवति which sutra is this sakarasya sthane sakarah adesha bhavati this also we have seen I taught you this what sutram sir you see here sutra 122 jayo hanyatarasyam you have seen okay adanta jay uttarasya or bhagya prayatnam all this thing we discussed right
Yes.
please note we have to go through all the notes not jalo many examples we have seen taditam tashchoti okay now current one sutram is this is a sutram what is that sakarasya sthane sakarah adesha bhavati this is a sutram udah stastamboh purvasya you have seen this sutram remember stadatu stamdatu following ud then what will happen that sakara will be replaced by sakara of the dhatu stadatu stamdatu will be replaced by purva savarna purva letter is dakara which belongs to tavarga. So what is the savarna letter which can replace sakara of this dhatu, sta dhatu and stab dhatu? Sakara being a hard consonant or no mahaprana, right? So it has to be replaced by a mahaprana and it is katora vyanjanam. Therefore, should be replaced by if ud is the preceding letter, tavarga letter should be replaced by mahaprana letter, which is takara or dhakara. But dhakara is soft consonant, therefore it should be replaced by Sakara, Takara, Desha comes. Understand?
Yes.
One of these must replace Sakara. The right choice is Takara. So that is what the sutra is. Udastha Stamboho, Purva, Utupasargat Parasya, Stadatoho, Stamdatoho, Adosita Sakarasya Stane, Takara Hadesha, that is Purva, Savarna Adesha, Bhavati. Therefore, Utprastanam, you get Utthanam. After that, this Takara, Jaro Jari Savarne, by this, one Takara goes away. That is by the next 65, 8465 Sutra. Jaro Jari Savarne, that also we saw. Okay.
Mhm.
Remember all this. Utstit, Uttitihi, Utthapya, Uttambaniya, Uttambitaha, Utthanam, all same things. Sakara replaced with Takara. Get it? After that, what happens? This Takara will be dropped optionally. So that dropping only has given the example. How it is dropped? By Jaro Jari Savarne, which is at the end, the sutra. The same examples, in fact, I have taken. Please see. The same example, Jaro Jari Savarne. Ud plus Tanam, first what happens? Jalam Dashante by the Takara, then Karicha by the Takara, then by Udasta Stambhoho by the Sutra, Sakara will be replaced with Takara. After that, Jaro Jari Savarne, that is 8465, Hal letter which followed by Jar letter followed by Jar, this Jar will vanish. So optionally, the Utthanam you get. Remember? Please recall. Therefore, by that sutra, Jaro Jari Savane, that is why here Utthanam, one Takara is there. Because under Takara, Jar letter is dropped. Okay. You see the star mark. As star mark is given. Takarasya vikalpena lopaha bhavati. How? 46. You see the page number 46, it says. 46 is the sutra, Jaro Jari Savane. Prishtam, go to page number 46. Let's see. This is the one. Jaro Jari Savarne. Right? Footnote. That's what he said. Jari Savarne. Okay. So Jaro Jari Savarne also we have seen. Then after that, what is this and they tell me?
This is Shashchot.
Exactly, Shashchoti. Shashchoti. Padante sthitat tattadvargasya pratama vyanjanat parasya shakarasya chakaraha vikalpena adesha bhavati shakha Shashchoti. Here also Shashchoti we have seen. For that, J letter coming as Anuvrutti, but he has taken, you see, Padante Sita Tattvargiya Pratama Vanjanasya. Tattvargiya Pratama Vanjanasya. Pratama Vanjanat Parasya Shakarasya Shakaradesha Bhavati Vikalpena. Okay. Now, why is say Pratama Vanjanasya? Pratama Vanjanasya. Pratama Vanjana means first letter of all the class. That's why you will see all will be first. Because when Shakara follows, Shar letter follows. What will happen? Suppose here, if any letter is at the end of the Padam, what will happen? Kimbavati. When Shakara follows.
If are you asking if that letter
If J
would
letter,
be
if fourth letter, third letter, the second letter, first letter of the class consonants are present here, then what will happen? Asking.
Jalandashante.
No, sir. That is in the beginning itself. Okay. If you do Jalandashante, it will become Gakara. Okay. What will happen to Gakara?
Then
Here, Shashchoti says that Vargiya Prathama Vyanjanasya, Vyanjanat, first letter of the class consonant. Why he says first letter of the class consonant? When the sutra is J letter, you see. Sutra says J. J means what? First letter of all the class consonants, second, third, and fourth. Right? That's Jayaha coming as Anuvrutti. But here he says, what does it say? first letter of the class consonant followed by shakara. Why? Because what? What is the previous sutra? Previous sutra, karicha. When followed by kar, what will happen? What is sutra says? Shashchoti, shakara follows, right? That alone is going to be replaced by chakara. When shakara follows, what will happen? Kar letter, charadesha will come. So if third letter, fourth letter, or second letter is there, what will happen? That will be replaced by the first letter of the class consonant, right? Because karicha is 8455. This is 8463. 8455 precedes. Therefore, by 8455, the J letter will be replaced by first letter of the class consonant. That is why here he says, the Sanskrit Bharati book, Padante Sita Tat Tat Vargiya Prathana Vyanjanat. First letter of the class consonant is followed by Shakara. It should be first letter, second letter, third letter, or fourth letter when followed by Shakara, right? But why is a first letter? Because Karicha will anyway make it into first letter. That is why. How intelligently has thought, and he didn't discuss all those things because this is not for the beginners. Sorry, I mean, this book is for the beginners. What we discuss already we know. Therefore, you should be able to think and understand why it is. He says Prathama Vyanjanat Parasya. Understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, Shakarasya Tsanit Chakaraha Vikalpena Adeshaka Bhavati. Therefore, Chat Prasanti. So, here water may be the letter here. Doesn't matter. Like Karicha, here Shakara is follows. Therefore, this must be replaced by first letter of the class. After that, only the sutra comes, 8463. There, what will happen? This Chakara will be replaced with Chakara optionally. Therefore, Vaksharaha or Vaksharaha, Touch plus Shivaha. You do all the sandhis. What was sandhis before? You can do Jala, Touch. That is what was Tat before? It was Tat. Tat will become Jalanjoshanti. Tad will become Stogostanastugu. Tad will become Taj. And Taj will become Karicha. Touch. Then Touch will become now, followed by Shakara. Shakara will become Chakara. Tachivaha. Understand? So that's what happens. Shashchoti. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Then next one. Mrich plus Shakatikam. Mrich Shakatikam. Madalit plus Shete. All the examples we have seen. Madalit Shete. Chete. Touch plus Shlokena. Touch Shlokena. Touch plus Mashru. Touch Mashru. Touch plus Shna Pratyaha. Touch Shna Pratyaha. Vag plus Shastram. Vag Shastram. Shastram. Touch plus Shubham. Touch Shubham. All this. Okay. Next one, what sutra? By reading the passage, this lines you should be able to tell. Nakarantat padat chachayoho parayoho akarasya shakaraha tatayogo parayogo shakaraha tatayogo parayogo sakaraha adesha bhavati. आदेशात् पूर्वत्र स्थितः स्वरः अनुनासिकः अनुस्वार युक्तः वा भवति किन्तु एतेभ्यः चादिभ्यः परे स्वरः यरलभमानः भवेयुः. Tell me. You see the letter. What are the letters? Following letter. Chacha. Okay. Tatha. Fine. Then Tatha. Right. So it means first letter, second letter of second class consonant. Third is there. Fourth is there. So first Kavarga and Pavarga not there. So it means which Pratyahara covers these letters? Tell me. Which Pratyahara covers cha cha ta ta ta? It's interesting question.
Char.
Huh?
Char.
Chow. Therefore, the sutra is what sutra? You can easily guess. Nakara at the end of the padam. What, sir? Everything I told, sir. Now you have to Cham I told, everything I have told. Akara didn't have the padam. And Repa and Anuswara, Anunasika, Anuswara Desha will come. That also told. Hmm. The preceding vowel will get Anunasika Desha, Anuswara, Agama. Hmm. Naschavya Prashant, sir.
Yes.
Right? Hmm. That's what it is. Naschavya Prashant. Understand?
Mm.
See? Naschavya Prashant iti sutram. Ampare chavi nakarantasya padasya rugusyat. Purva swarasya anunasika आदेशः अथवा अनुस्वारागमः भवति अग्रे समस्तुति इति सूत्रं च प्राधान्ये लिखितं किन्तु उपयुक्तः सर्वः अपि अतयोः सूत्रयोः प्राप्तः ओके that okay we have seen that all so therefore you can see तान् plus च तांश्च एतान् plus छात्रान् एतांश्च छात्रान् श्लोका plus टीकाभिः श्लोकान् टीकाभिः Gita we have seen this many examples right kasminश्चित् so like that we have seen. Then, similarly, another example, Asman Starya Tata follows. Apavada is Prashant. Prashant, that will not become the exception. Then this also we saw Samasati. What is Samasati? Samaha is Upasarga. So Sam Upasargat Sakarado Kir Dhatau Pare Akarasya Sakaradesha Bhavati. Then after that Sakaradesha, Purvasi Takaraha Arunasika Nusvarikta Bhavati. Samasuti, I think we see. Samasuti, some plus, what happens? Some plus, some upasargat sakarado krudatu. How you get sakarado krudatu? By the sutra, some paripurvasya karotake sutsyat. Bhushan sankate cha. Okay, leave that, no problem. We have not seen that. 6.137. From here you can understand. That is, some plus karta is okay. Samaha suti. Then what will happen? Samaha suti. By that sutra, when some upasarga is followed by what? Sakarado krudatu pare. And the krudatu is karoti, that krudatu. That having sakara at the beginning. So karta is derived from the krudatu, right? Having sakara at the beginning. Then what happens? He says that makara will be replaced by makarasya sakara adesha bhavati. When you do that, after that what will happen? Purvastitaha akaraha will get anunasika or anuswaraha. In fact, this is what he asked, who asked? Rama asked, how Sanskritam comes? He asked me. 2 times it comes. This is what the sutra is. I said, I will teach you later. Anyway, yes, not there. But here you can note this sums plus kartas. Karta, this takara, the sakara adesha comes for krudatu by the sutra 6.4, 6.3, 137. That is not important, that's why I didn't do it. That sutra says samparibhyam, that is sampari, some are pari, follow from purvasya. When some are pari precedes the krudatu, then what will happen? The krudatu will get sut agama. Okay. Some plus kru, the krudatu. Kru means krudatu, karta, or anything. Karta, tva, whatever it is. Krudatu rupa. Krudatu rupa. Then krudatu will get sut agama. Bhushane, sangarte cha, in the sense of ornament and sangata. Alankara, samyak kurvanti, sangi bhavanti. Samskaroti, alankara, samskurvanti, bhushane, sangatharte cha. So, when it comes, then what will happen after that? Samasuti by the sutra, which says Samasuti, Samaha Suti says 835. Makara of the sum will be replaced by what letter? Sakara. And previous, the vowel will get Anuswara or Anunasika. Anuswara, Anunasika Adesha, Anuswara Agama. Therefore, the previous vowel here, which is there, Anusnasika Adesha, and Makara is replaced by Sakara. Therefore, you get Samskarta. Right?
So this extra sakara is optional.
That extra sakara, what happens? That is goes away by samahava lopam eke by the that's the Bhashyamkara says that one sakara will become lopaha. Okay. Samskarta, that one sakara, samahava lopam eke. By that sutra, what happens? One more sakara becomes lopaha. Similarly, sam plus kritam, makara replaced by sakara, then purva letter will get Anunasikadesha, Anuswaragama. So when you get Anunasikadesha, samskritam iti, double sakara, and one sakara will become lopaha vikalpen. Lopam krutva, you get samskritam. This is Anunasikadesha. Similarly, when Anuswaragama comes, what will happen? That is said here. Next one, below. Let's see. Sam plus karta, samskarta, samskritam. That is how you get samskritam. So sakara followed by sakara, you may ask how it becomes lopaha. It becomes lopaha by the 25. Sakara adesha nantaram sakarasya vikalpena lopaha bhavati. You can see there's a samova lopam yeke iti. There's a ba means bhashyam. Bhashyakara says. Mahabhashyakara. So yeah, okay. Suppose sakara samahava lopam eke. Therefore, sakara will go away. That's all.
This rule is saying that when sakara comes as adesha, it can be lopa. Is it?
Sakara, which comes as adesha in the place of makara, that when it gets the previous vowel will get anuswara anunasika adesha, and that sakara, then the samaha lope, the sakara which has come in the place of sakara can become lopaha vikalpena. Sakara adesha which has come after sakara adesha. Okay, sakara adesha nantaram sakarasya vikalpena lopaha. Right?
Yes.
So Rama asked, understand? Is it clear?
Yes. And this sakara before ka is another rule that is in the footnote.
Sakara, what is it?
This sakara that is before ka in kra, it is coming by
the Sutra 6.137. That is because of Sut Agama. Sut Agama is a Tit Agama. So because of Sut Agama. Okay. Krudhatu will get Sut Agama. Right?
Yes.
Then that's why we say Samaha Suti. Samaha Suti means some upasarga when followed by sakara which belongs to Suttagama. Suttagama, where does it come? It comes in 6.137. Therefore, when that Suttagama sakara follows, makara will be replaced by sakara and the previous vowel will be replaced by anuswara or anunasika, and this makara, the sakara which has come in the place of makara, can become lopaha optionally. Understand?
Yes.
This is what the entire thing is all about. That is how you get the word Samskritam. which he asked Rama. Anyway, he's not here. Probably will understand, I think. Next class. Or he may ask doubt next class. Okay.
Yes.
This sutra is not important. That's why I also didn't give Samasuti. But of course, it is there in Lagu Siddhanta Kapati. Right?
Yes.
But actually, that section is 83 section is Ru Adesha. Ru comes actually. Okay. Sutta Kama comes by that 61137. Okay. Then some that Makara is there. Makarasya sthane Ru Adesha bhavati. Not really Sakara. Okay. Makara will be replaced by Ru. And the Ru, what will happen? Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa followed by Sutta Kama Sakara. Right? Therefore, what will happen? Repa will become Visarga. Visarga becomes, then Vashari will apply. By that, Visarga says Vashariya, Visarjaniya says Saha. Whatever it is, we apply. So what will happen? Sakara will come. There's a Vartika. By that, Visarjaniya says Saha. Vashari will not apply. Visarjaniya says Saha. But Visarga will be replaced by Sakara because followed by Sut. Okay. There's a Vartika. Okay, maybe I will do this, all the thing in next class. Okay. Actually, it is not Sakara. Yes, simply has given Sakara, but actually it is Ru. Ru Adesha will come and Ru will is nothing but Repa. Repa will be replaced by Sakara. You cannot apply Vashari. There's a Vartika by which Sakara must come. That Sakara, what will happen? That Sakara comes, the preceding bubble will get Anuswara or Anusika Desha. That Sakara only becomes Lopaha Vikalpena. Okay. Anyway, if you understand, it's fine. Otherwise, we'll discuss this in detail. This is how you get Sanskritam also. Okay. Anyway, so Sanskritam, the word come. And what is Tukka Agama Sandhi? Tukka Agama Sandhi, I'm not sure whether I taught you. Tuk Agama Sandhi. I think really teach you. Rasvaswara when followed by Chakara. I think this Sandhi I taught you, no? Vriksha plus Chaya, the Chakara follows. Checha, Sutra, related Checha. I think we must have seen Checha.
Yes.
Yes, that's what it is, Checha. Yeah, Checha is there, 105. Checha. Sutra is, our Sutra number is 105. But it's 6173, I taught you. Okay. When Chakara follows what? Rasvaswara. Rasvaswara will take Tukkagama. So Vriksha plus Chaya. This will get Tukkagama. And Takara, Chakara in contact. Shtuta Sandhi will happen. But you have to follow our steps. Takara at the end of the Padam, first it will be replaced by Dakara, Jalam Dashonte, then Shtuta Sandhi, then Jakara, then Karicha, then Vriksha Chaya you get. All these things you have to note. Okay. Understand? Rasvaswarat Chakare Pare. Chakara following a short bubble, then what will happen? Then this Tukkagama will come. He says Chakaragama. It is not Chakaragama. It is Tukkagama. Takara will come. Takara will become Jalan Joshante. All those things will happen. Takara will become, the Dakara, then become Chakara by Stogostona Shuru. Then it will become Chakara by Karicha. Therefore, Chakara he says. He's saying Chakara means the final thing he says, Karicha. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So this part we have seen. Please see. Rasva Swara Chakare Pare Chakara Agamaka Bhavati. That is Tukkagama comes and Tukkagama will be replaced with Chakara when you follow Jalan Jashvante Stogostana Shuru Karicha. Now the next part is Dirgat Padantatu. That is Padam at the end of which the Padam is there is a Dirga. When chakara follows, what will happen? Tukkagama is optional. Says Tukkagama is optional. Example, see. Shikarini plus chandaha. Chakara follows dirgha, E, right? The Tukkagama here is optional. Tukkagama will become chakara by following the steps. Jastam, Shtutvam, and Charto. And here chakara coming is optional. That's what he says. Therefore, Shikarini chandaha, Ashikarini chandaha. Understand?
Yes.
Padanta dva, Visa checha. This is sutra comes later. Padanta dva. Okay. So therefore, Samskrita plus Chatraha, Tukkagama. Samskrita Chatraha, Akshara plus Chandasaha, Akshara Chandaha, Shubhachavihi, Manavachaya, Dirghachurika, Sachatraha, Matrachaya, Padavi Chatra. Padavi, you can see, Ikara, right? So Dirghat Padanta Dva, there Chakara is optional. Padavi Chatra or Padavi Chatra. Matra, again here also. Matra plus Chandaha, Dirgha. It will get Chakara Agama optionally. Understand?
Yes.
Matra Chandaha or Matra Chandaha. Similarly, Shweta Chatram, Karyachalam, Grachchadanam, Sukma Chidran, Rikshacheda, Sanskrita Chaya, Etareya Chandogye. Etareya, sorry. Etareya, okay. Etareya Chandogye. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
This sutra also may be right because in our list of sutras, if you see, we don't need this sutra. I added later. Why? Because our has got some prakriya method. Not that we should know all the sutra. That's why I didn't write. That's why I added this after. Maybe I should mark it. The sutras are added later. In the beginning, we don't need to know all those things. Anyway, because they're all difficult. Difficult in the sense, not difficult. Certain things you may need to know, or it is not important. Okay. I've got some prakriya, I just followed. That I skipped all this. Sutra didn't give importance. Now I can add if you want. We'll add this. So this Checha is there. Padanta Dva I will add. Similarly, this three sutras. Samaswati. Then Samaswati means then I have to tell 6137 also. Karo Dhatu will take. Bhushane Arte in the sense of ornament. It will get Suttagama. So all these things I have to mention. Okay. This also I will add. The two sutras. Now we can add because we know better now. Then Ime Vishayaha Kvachit Apekshante. See, Yavayoho Lopa. What is Yavayoho Lopaha? Vakara, Vakara, Lopa. When does it happen? Lopa Shakal, yes, yeah, wrong, right?
Yes.
So that's what it says here. Padante Vidyamanasya. At the end of the Pada, what? Yakara, Vakara, which is preceded by Akara, Akara. Akara, Akara comes the preceding letter when? In Ayadi Sandhi it comes. I, right?
Yes.
Sware Pare, when followed by a vowel. When followed by a vowel, Ashipare, among the Ach letter follows, Vikalpena Lopaka Bhavati. But if consonant follows, it must become Lopaha, right? We have seen. Lope Krite, after the Lopa, there will not be any Sandhi because Lopaka Shakalyasya is 8319 and Sandhis are there in 6-1 section. Therefore, Purvatra Siddham Tripadi. This is the sutras on Tripadi. Therefore, Sutra which are later Sapada Saptadhyayi cannot see the result of the Tripadi Sutra. Therefore, Yakara, after the lope of Yakara Vakara, further Sandhi will not happen. We know all those things we have seen, right? Can recall. After Lopa Shakalyasya, can we do Sandhi? We cannot do it, right? That's what he says. Lope Krite, Nimittasya Sadbhave, Sandhi Nimittasya, even though Sandhi is possible, but Sarasandhi cannot bhavati. Why? Because Sarasandhi Sutras are in 6-1. And Yakara Lopa, Vakara Lopa happens in 8-3. Then how can 6s can see the result of 8-3? Not possible. Like the example you see. tasyai plus idam, yakara at the end of the padam preceded by a, this will become lopaha vikalpe lopashakalya. Therefore, tasya idam. Optionally, tasya idam. Anyway, this form you will not see, but this form alone you will see. Now, let me ask you, out here I has come in the place of what? Tell me. How you get tasyai plus tasyai? That is one word, actually. What is that?
It was Tasyai.
Exactly, very good. Tasyai, because ayad is an ayad sandhi, it will become tasyai. Then yakara at the end of the padam, ashicha, lopa shakalyasya, lopaka, yakara si lopa bhavati. Similarly, ubau plus api, what was before then?
Bhau.
Ubau, very good. That's what it is. Keshanjana vyanjananam lopaha. Vyanjanat parasya nyamangana nan varjagitva vargi vyanjanasya chashasa iti eteshancha eteshu savarneshu vyanjaneshu pareshu lopaha vikalpena bhavati. Now you see Krishnardihi. Here what happens? Okay. I think we have not done this. This is Achoraha Bhyam. Oh, sorry, Jaro Jason. Yeah, oh, sorry. Jaro Jason, you are done. Okay. Jaraha, yeah, sorry. Vyanjananam. Keshanchana Vyanjana. Vyanjanat Parasya. Okay. Nyamangana nan Varjagitva Vargi Vyanjanasya. So, accepting the fifth class of the fifth letter of the class consonants, all the class consonants, excepting the fifth letter of the class consonant, it means it covers first letter of all the class, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, and sibilants also, shashasa. It means jar letter, jar pratyahara. Right? Understand?
But in this example, Krishna Hridihi,
I tell
is it
you.
not only Guna Sadi?
Yeah, after that, what happens? That is important. You see, after that, what happens? You see, Nyama nan varjayitva. It means fifth letter of the class consonant, right? Excepting that, all the class consonants and the sibilants. So, what is the pratyahara? Shashasa included. All the class consonants are included except fifth letter. It means jar letter. Simple, huh?
Yes.
Jabai, Garadesh, Java Garadesh, Kappa, Chatata, Chatata, Kapai, Shashasar, right? Jai, so Jai letter. What is Jai letter? You know, Jai, this is a jar letter, not Jai, jar letter. Shashasar, jar, okay, jar letter, which is preceded by a consonant. That is why it says Vinjanat Parasya, followed by a jar. So jar letter preceded by a consonant, followed by a savarna letter. Then what will happen? The jar becomes lopaha. This sutra already we have seen where jaro jari savarne. Please see. Just now we saw jaro jari savarne. This example also same example. This consonant hala followed by takara, which is jar letter. Jar followed by savarna jar. Takara becomes lopaha vikalpena, right? That is what he says here. Vyanjananam lopaha bhavati. Now you see the example. Krishna plus Riddhihi, Krishnardihi, you get, right? Gunasanti. Then this repa is a consonant followed by dakara, dakara followed by dakara, right? Repa followed by dakara, dakara followed by dakara. And are they not savarna? Yes. Dakara, dakara are jar letter, yes, savarna. So therefore repa for the hal followed by jar, jar followed by savarna jar. Then what will happen to dakara? It can become lopaha optionally. That is why you get this form. Without lopaha, this form. So both are okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, I think we'll stop here. Jaro jari savarne. Maybe this also we can add. If this example is interesting, you can add here also the last example. I'll add here. Udaharanam, we see. Gunasandhi, after Gunasandhi, this happens. You see. Udaharanam 3. The example is Krishna. Krishna plus it is Ardhi. Sorry, Ruddhi, not Ardhi. Because gonna happen. Ruddhi. A plus R. What's Sandhi?
Gunasandhi.
Krishna. Krishna. A plus R. Then you have Dihi. Right? This is what you get. This is by Gunasandhi number 6187. Right?
Yes.
Then after that, what will happen here? Repa is Hal. I just write for our understanding. Dakara is Dakara. Then Ihi. Now here, Repa followed by Dakara and this Dakara. So what will happen? You can apply the Sutra 8465. By that, it was next line. (8465). Applying that, this Takara will become Lopaha optional. Fine. This is one form. Krishna. And since this is optional, therefore, if you don't do, then you get Krishna. Whatever. This is without Lopa. Without Lopa without Jar Lopa. This is Jar Lopa. Right?
Mm.
Two forms. Okay. Fine. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavada.